Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.